Hi, Pete from Simply Headsets here again, and in this video I want to talk about how wireless headsets actually work. Now what we're talking about here is a wireless headset that will work with your traditional desk office telephone. Not cordless phones or anything like that, because wireless headsets work on DECT technology, the same sort of technology as cordless phones, and they only connect to traditional desk style office phones. They do that through a connector cable and a power pack that charges the base station. Now you don't need wireless technology or Wi-Fi or anything like that already operating in your business. The actual headset, based on the DECT technology I mentioned earlier, sends that signal from the actual base station to the headset. The power, when it's back in its cradle, is charged from the power cable you get with the base station, and then the connection is done through this cable I mentioned. The base station plugs into either the headset jack or the headphone jack in your actual office telephone. But if your telephone is an older model and doesn't have a separate headset jack, don't worry, you can still make it work very, very easily. All you need to do is actually connect the base station into the actual traditional phone port on the back of your telephone where the curly cable goes. You can then connect that curly cable into the base station of your wireless headset and everything will work seamlessly anyway. So don't worry about that. The beautiful thing is that the way they've designed wireless headsets is they will work with virtually any desk phone available to you. Now, in terms of answering, there's a couple of different ways you can answer calls with wireless headsets. When you simply first plug it in, you have the ability to use, generally it's the speaker button or the headset button or just the answer button on your handset, and it will answer that call and push the call automatically through your wireless headset if you've got the phone settings set up correctly. Now, if you want to answer those calls remotely, away from your desk, you'll need to get a little adapter called a wireless lifter you can see here on the side of this phone. The lifter allows you to actually hit the button on the side of a headset and have that phone call answered remotely. It lifts up the handset and gives you that functionality to answer the calls away from your desk while you're filing or somewhere else in the office. Now, some phones allow you to actually have that connection of remote answering done through what's referred to as an electronic hook switch. So rather than the moving arm of the wireless lifter, it does that and sets off that remote answer via an electronic signal. So make sure you check out your particular phone and what works best, whether it's an electronic hook switch or a lifter.